take all you sons of bitches when I go. Oh, somehow I got that spinal meningitis, injecting all that hairspray in my spine. It's a hell of a cheap way to party if you aim to kill some brain cells and some time. My oldest son was born in albino. My youngest is covered in hair. The middle one says he's homosexual, and the other 7 ain't going nowhere. She run off and took my only chicken. When I broke jail, the house burned bare. The Japs moved the plane back to Osaki. Some days that just don't seem that fair. I don't even care, I just don't give a damn. I gave my best years to that woman, and all she gave me was a mouse to feed. Miracle straight from the loins of Jesus, since Charlie blew off both of my testes. I said, get your Yankee ass off my property. I don't give a damn, the bank gave you a deed. This farm's been a collars for generations, since we beat back them sneaky Japanese. Oh, them sneaky Japanese.